You may choose to organize your videos is right on the Swivl cloud. So this would obviously be very convenient if the majority of what you are doing is taking recordings using the Swivl app, and then those videos automatically upload to the Swivl cloud. Within the Swivl cloud, there is some easy organization. So if we go to the cloud, this is usually what it opens up to. This is your dashboard. It will show you your recent activity and some stats about how many videos you have uploaded. And then if you scroll down, you would see a whole list of your videos. Or to organize within Swivl Cloud is pretty easy. Under My Projects, you would just go to Folders, and you can see that I have already created 2 example folders. This would obviously be empty if you have never done this. But over to the right, you can add a new project or add a folder. Let's go ahead and add a social studies folder. You can see that that pops up. I can add another one and say that this is going to be science. So you would put in here maybe by the subject name or the class, and you would create your folders. And obviously these new ones, social studies and science, have no videos in them yet or no projects. So I'm going to go over under folders and click on library. And it is in here that I can go ahead and find videos to put in there. I have no idea what videos I have already moved into folders. So let's go ahead and see about this one. This is a video that I've obviously created. If I click on these 3 dots over here underneath my name, I get options like download, move to folder, or delete. I'm going to choose move to folder and then go ahead and pick science. And if I go back and check my science folder, that video is now in there. It still exists in my library in this feed, but now it's just a little easier to find. Another way, without even previewing your video, is to just hover over the video like I am in the middle, click on those 3 dots, and move to folder comes up right away. And then I can move this one to the social studies folder. And again, if I go up into folders, I'll notice that then that video is in social studies. That is just a really pretty quick and easy way to organize your videos within Swivl. So if you need to go back and find something, you don't have to go through your whole library. It's also a nice way if you are posting things at a later date or need to repost something, you can go in and you can find it under its subject area. So, that is how you organize your videos via the Swivl Cloud.